Carpenter bees are often mistaken for bumblebees, which are usually about 3/4 in length. They're yellow and black, their abdomens are hairy, and they like to burrow into the ground to nest. On the other hand, carpenter bees are usually anywhere from 3/4 up to 1 inch in length. They're also yellow and black, however their abdomen is hairless and a black shiny color. They prefer to nest in soft woods such as pine or cedar. So during our inspection, we found this pergola back here in this backyard. It's actually constructed of cedar, and if you look directly up underneath here in these boards, you can actually see where the carpenter bees have actually drilled up into the wood. And then the female, what she'll do is she'll create chambers inside that wood and lay her eggs. She'll lay a ball of pollen in each one of those chambers so that when the egg hatches, the larva stage has a food source to feed on.